Black Excellence Pool Party at Resort Day Raven. It's gloomy outside, threatening a thunderstorm.
Damn, she bad. She the baddest in the room. Big bags when you see her coming through. Model body with a face that make you zoom. Yeah, she bad. That bitch bad. Yeah, she bad. That bitch bad.
It may seem like you're under some kind of a spell. You're walking on sunshine, feeling extra well. You're all smiles, happy as you can be. Feels like a dream, but can't you see that it's just me? Said it's just me. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me. Hey, you probably feel like you've been blessed by the gods above. You're riding high.
Hey, hello. It is Saturday, about 11:20 a.m. and it is the day of the rescheduled, because it had to be postponed, Black Excellence Pool Party at Resort Day Raven. I feel a bit unwell, I'm not gonna lie to you. Woke up earlier, but ended up back in the bed, slept a little longer. That kind of helped, but I just feel generally unwell. I don't know if it's maybe a bit of anxiety because it's been a hot minute since I've hosted a large party. Normally I do multiple parties throughout the summer. I haven't really done that. This is kind of the big one of the summer, the only one. And as you know, if you watched the other vlog, this party was supposed to happen a few weeks ago, but there was a flash flood. Thoughts and prayers go out to all the victims of the flooding. It was actually pretty bad here in Austin. It wasn't too bad where I actually live because I live on the outskirts of town. So we weren't affected, luckily, in that way, but a lot of people were. So anyways, with all that craziness, obviously the party got postponed and I'm having it today instead. Luckily, I was able to save most of the stuff and like reschedule mostly everything, so it's not really a loss. But I do have a few things, quite a few things actually, to sort of set up and get together today. I need to get myself together first and foremost, and then let's get to work with the setup. So I did already have a lot of stuff just sort of ready to go from the original party date, which is good. It was less that I had to do like leading up to today, but I wanted to get a head start with kind of actually setting up things outside in my backyard. So yesterday my boyfriend was over here helping me like power wash the pool waterfall to get the calcium. I have like this calcium buildup problem on my pool and it makes it look dirty and ugly. So like he was helping me power wash it and he was helping me set up the gazebo and the umbrellas and stuff. So we had stuff like preset. We were doing good, making progress. Then I went to go to the store, and while I was gone, apparently the wind picked up just for that hour that I was gone, blew everything around, literally bent up my brand new gazebo. This is what I came home to. Umbrella knocked over, gazebo knocked over, crumpled up also somehow. My boyfriend came back and tried to help me like uncrumple it and fix it, and we thought we fixed it, but long story short, we didn't. But long story short, luckily my parents have a gazebo, so I need to get their gazebo from. Anyways, all the work we did to get ahead for today got ruined. So I do kind of need to hurry up. Okay, so I took a shower and styled my hair. I still have to do my lashes and makeup and everything. Right now, I am finishing these signs. Since I had to reschedule, I was gonna have a Black-owned cupcake business provide cupcakes for the party, but with the change of the date, it just didn't end up working out. But I got a replacement business, Cranky Granny Cinnamon Rolls, local Black-owned gourmet cinnamon roll shop. They are providing a bunch of mini cinnamon rolls, which I'm super excited about. So I needed to switch out. I had already made the cupcake sign, but I needed to do a cinnamon roll sign instead real quick at the last minute. So I'm just finishing that up. Meanwhile, I've got my dad on the way. He's bringing some stuff over that I need. My mom is at the store grabbing something. I'm actually not, what is she even getting? Because we don't need too much stuff since we have bartender, food truck. We also had to switch out the food truck because of the change of the date, but luckily I was able to find a backup plan of another local Black-owned food truck. So that ended up still working out, which is good. The original bartender was still available, so that's good. They're still coming. And Amanda was still available to do the custom live engraving custom party favors. So she's still coming, as well as the DJ and the photographer that I had originally booked. So I only had to switch out 2 out of, how many vendors? So bartender, food truck, DJ, engraver, photographer, daiquiris, sweets. So I believe there's like 7 vendors for this party, and due to the rescheduling, I only had to switch out 2 of the 7, which is not bad. And I was able to switch them out and not just miss out. So, you know, postponing and rescheduling is not ideal at all, but all things considered, this is working out quite swell. So I cannot complain. And the weather is looking good. That's the other main thing. The weather is looking good. I'm also getting a lot of texts from people basically saying they thought they couldn't come or they couldn't come on the original date, but they can come now. So honestly, it's kind of better because with the original date, it probably wasn't going to be as many people, like not as many people were available to come, but it seems like today is a better day for everyone. So we should have a pretty good turnout. Should be a lot of friends that I haven't seen in a while too. We got some still coming in from out of town. Unfortunately, Daisha and Tasha were not able to fly in again, of course, because that's a lot to be flying in from California back to back. So they won't be here, but pretty much everyone else, and like I said, even some extra people said they were available. So anyway, just put this in the frame. I'm gonna like set this out next to the food. So I have these 3 signs. I've got this ready to go, floaties, games. I still need to fix some of my outdoor cushions. And my main thing is I have to redo my balloon garland. I ain't got no balloons blown up. So I need to hurry up and like do my makeup and get to work on the balloons. Other than that, it's just like putting stuff outside. And I'll have people here in a minute to help me do that. So it should be fine, but I am cutting it a little bit close because it's already 1:15 somehow. So let me go ahead and get my butt in that glam room chair. Time check, it's 3 o'clock. I'm blowing up balloons. It started sprinkling a little bit. It's gloomy outside, threatening a thunderstorm. But it's looking like it's just gonna be light showers. It's looking like it's gonna pass. Nothing dangerous. And the show must go on regardless. I don't give a goddamn at this point. If it sprinkles on my guests, oh well, that's why I got swimsuits on anyway. And I'm making progress with blowing up these balloons. I definitely should have done this a little bit more in advance, but it's fine. I'm pretty quick with it these days. So I'm gonna put together this balloon garland. And then basically I'm just trying to wait and make sure it's not gonna really thunderstorm before I start really putting stuff in place, because the balloons are gonna go out there with the arch. I gotta put the tent on the gazebo. I gotta put the cushions out on the chairs. And then just, I mean, I guess I can put stuff out on the countertop because it's covered, so that should be fine. We'll start doing that first. But we got 2 hours till the party starts. Probably an hour. I think the bartender's coming at 4 to set up. Hopefully it's not like raining on them when they're trying to set up out there. What can you do? Somebody's here. Look who it is. My favorite tall twin.
You can say
hello. Come on in.
hello.
All the way from the DF Dub.
All the way. See, y'all, the party was supposed to be postponed. Just letting you know. I mean, so sorry to the people who were affected. I'm not.
No, it was meant to be. And it's acting like it's trying to rain right now, but the show must go on. I think it'll be fun. It's about, what time is it? 4 o'clock. We got the replacement gazebo up and the food truck just pulled up. They're trying to get into position. I've got my little fan because I did my makeup already and I'm not trying to sweat it off before the party starts. And it is hot. Good news is the sun's coming back out. I think the rain has passed. It really didn't even really rain. Just sprinkled a little bit. And we got the food truck. Okay, floaties, letters, beach balls. Need to turn the waterfall on. Balloon garland is done. It's as good as it's gonna get. Hopefully it don't start popping because I know black balloons pop. Amanda's, oh look how cute! Amanda's here. Little examples of the luggage tags. So cute, I love this. Got the whole little setup. Awesome.
Hey Ray team, Ray TV. Hi, how are you? Are you guys ready for a tour of the whole thing? Let's get to it.
Drop the top, I'm in the coupe, riding shady with my boo. Got a slim thing that's gon' shoot she off the water too. Been getting money, can't cuff no, he gon' go. If you got it, throw some more. Spend that money, you ain't broke. Shake that money maker, show me what your mama gave you. Got it out the mud, it ain't a out here said I made you. Just think they cute, they be chicken like the commentators. If I see you with your booty, babe, you know I gotta take them. Man, this shit expensive, we getting money bags. Man, this shit expensive, we out here popping tags. Man, this shit expensive, ain't even gotta ask. Man, this shit expensive, you see it on it. Man, this shit expensive, we getting money bags. Man, this shit expensive, we out here popping tags. Man, this shit expensive, ain't even gotta ask. Man, this shit expensive, you see it on it. We in the majors, grab a script, this a movie. And know you talking to the queen like Austin Powers, it get groovy. Expensive, she on my, he eat it up just like a smoothie. Got 200 on the dash, shit ain't a can outdo me. If you want this paper, you gotta sue me.
This is my girl right here, y'all. Austin, she looks so cute. Oh my god.
Weapon and stay with them ones. Can't even get my sloppy seconds out here eating crumbs. Man, this shit expensive, we getting money bags. Man, this shit expensive, we out here popping tags. Man, this shit expensive.
Do a little wave, Chef Tony. The woman of the hour, as always.